All right, so let's figure out a way to do triggering on multiple acquisitions when we have a max hold or trace averaging enabled. So on the FPL1000, we will configure two measurement channels and use the sequencer to be able to accomplish this task. On the first spectrum channel, we're going to do run continuous, a sweep count of 0, that's the default value. And we'll make sure to specify trigger as external. So now it's waiting for a trigger to arrive, and this is going to prevent the second channel that we configure from starting until this trigger has been satisfied. So let's open up a second spectrum channel. And on the second spectrum channel, we will set up our trace averaging. So go to trace config. We'll do a max hold, and maybe we also want to take a look at clear right and do 101 count averaging using the positive peak detector. And we probably want to do just a run single on this, since that's going to stop this measurement after we've done just a single run so that we don't have to worry about switching between channels and rearming that trigger and clearing the data that we have. So I'm going to take a look at both of these by clicking on multi-view. I'm going to select the first channel, and the first channel here, since it's active, says now it's currently waiting for a trigger. So I'm going to enable the sequencer, and the sequencer is going to be in continuous sequence mode. It's still blocking on the first channel until we have a trigger event. So I have a trigger source set up on my generator as well as an RF signal. It's a 2 gigahertz CW signal. And I'm going to execute just a single trigger. So we see that we've satisfied that single trigger here, and then immediately afterwards it started that trigger on the second channel, because the second channel was set to free run, not requiring that external trigger. And we're completing that 101 averaging, or the 101 measurements, and then it's still measuring. It's going back to the first channel, but it's waiting for the results. So when we're all done, we can go back to Spectrum 2, and we can export this data to an ASCII file. And that's all we'll need to do in order to effectively get what is triggering with just a single trigger pulse, multiple trace averaging